Next we are discussing seventh point. Seventh point is given is argument of z1 minus z divided by z2 minus z. Okay, this one argument is what? Either 0 or pi. 0 or pi. Then we have to find out locus of z, where z1 and z2 is what? Fixed point. Okay, z1 and z2 is what? Fixed point. Okay, so argument is what? 0 or pi. That means we can say that z1, z and z2 will lie on a line. Okay, so we are taking a line. So there are two fixed points. One is z1, other is z2. Okay, so here z is not equal to z1 and z is not equal to z2. If z equal to z1, then this will be what? 0. So argument of 0 is what? Undefined. If z equal to z2, that means denominator is what? 0. So that is also undefined. Okay, so here z equal to z1 and z equal to z2 is not possible. Okay, so there are three possibilities. Z will lie in first section, in second section and third section. Okay, so there are three sections will be there: first, second and third. So one by one we are discussing. If z is lying in third section, okay, if z will be here, then what will come? Okay, तो सबसे पहले यहाँ पर हम प्रॉपर्टी यूज करें. सो दिस वन वी कैन एड व्हाट? आर्ग्यूमेंट ऑफ z1 माइनस z माइनस आर्ग्यूमेंट ऑफ z2 माइनस z. Okay, so this one we are writing here. Okay, so this depend on what section? First, second and third. So first we are discussing third section. If z is lying in third section. Okay, so first we are drawing argument of z1 minus z. So argument of z1 minus z, it is a directed line segment joining z1 and z and directions towards z1. Directions towards z1. So it will come this side. This is what z and this will come this side. Okay, this is what z1 and this is z. Next is what? Argument of z2 minus z. It is also directed line segment joining z2 and z and directions towards z. So this is what z2 and this is what z. So if you join this one, so this will come in same line will come. This is z and this is z2. So you can see here both directions what? Same only. That means angle between these two is what? 0. Okay, so if z lies in third section, then argument of z1 minus z minus argument of z2 minus z is what? 0. Okay, both are in same direction, so difference will be 0. Second is what? If z lies in second section, okay, here. So z we are taking here. So one by one we are drawing. So first we are drawing argument of z1 minus z. So it is a directed line segment joining z1 and z directions towards z1. Okay, so it will come this side. Okay, next what? Argument of z2 minus z. This is also directed line segment joining z2 and z and directions towards z2. Okay, directions towards z2. So this will come. So you can see here angle is what? Pi. Angle is what? Pi. So difference between these two is what? Pi. So if z lies in second section, then difference between these two is what? Pi. Okay, so if it is given argument of z1 minus z divided by z2 minus z equal to pi, then z will lie between z1 and z2. Okay, and if it is given 0, then z will lie in third section. Okay, now we are discussing about first section. If z is lying in first section, suppose z is here, z is here. Okay, so one by one we are discussing argument of z1 minus z. So it is a directed line segment joining z1 and z and direction towards z1. Okay, so z is here, so it will come this side. This is what? Z and this is z1. Second is what? Argument of z2 minus z. So it is also directed line segment joining z2 and z and directions towards z2. So this will also come this side only. Okay, z is lying here. So you can see in this one also both are same direction. So difference between these two is what? 0. So in this case also will come 0. So we can say that if argument of z1 minus z divided by z2 minus z equal to 0, then z will lie in first section and third section. If it is pi, then z will lie in second section. So this is your seventh point. Next we are discussing eighth point. Eighth point is argument of z1 minus z divided by z2 minus z equal to theta. If theta is not equal to 0, not equal to pi, and z1 and z2 are two fixed points, then find locus of z. Okay, so if this equation is given and theta is not equal to 0, not equal to pi, then we can say that locus of z is a part of circle. So which part it will come, that I will discuss here. So we are taking a circle. Suppose this is z1 and this is z2. Okay, and z will lies on this circle. So there are two portions, first portion and second portion. यहाँ से हम बोल सकते हैं z is not equal to z1 and z is not equal to z2. Otherwise this one is undefined. So these 2 points is not possible. So first we are discussing if z lies in first portion. Okay, suppose z is here. Okay, so if z lies in first portion, then first we are drawing this one. Okay, so first what you will do, here we are using property. So this one we can add argument of z1 minus z minus argument of z2 minus z equal to theta. So this one we can add is what, argument of z1 minus z equal to theta plus argument of z2 minus z. ओके, तो यहाँ पर हम सबसे पहले क्या करें, हम ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं आर्ग्यूमेंट ऑफ z2 माइनस z. सो आर्ग्यूमेंट ऑफ z2 माइनस z, इट इज ए डायरेक्टेड लाइन सेगमेंट joining z2 and z and directions towards z2 and directions towards z2. So this will come. Okay, next we are drawing argument of z1 minus z. It is a directed line segment joining z1 and z. Okay, and directions towards z1. So this will come. Suppose this angle is what, theta. This angle is theta. Now argument of z2 minus z is what, this one. Okay, now this line we have to rotate in which direction to get this line? Okay, so this line we have to rotate in clockwise direction. Okay, with theta degree. If you rotate this line theta degree in clockwise direction, so we'll get this one. So if you are rotating in clockwise direction, that means theta should be what, negative. Okay, so here theta should be negative. Theta should be negative. Then we'll get first portion. Okay, so we can say for first portion theta should be negative. If theta is less than 0, then locus is first portion. Locus is first portion. Okay, second thing, this portion. Okay, so this is what, this is z. Okay, so what is argument of z2 minus z? So this line will come. Okay, and what is argument of z1 minus z? So this line will come. Suppose this angle is what, phi. This angle is phi. Now here this one, argument of z2 minus z is what, this one. Now this one we have to rotate phi angle in which direction to get this one. Okay, so you have to rotate in which direction? In anti-clockwise direction. If you are rotating in anti-clockwise direction, then phi should be what, positive. Phi should be positive. Okay, so we can say that if phi is greater than 0, phi is greater than 0. Okay, that means theta. Okay, phi is nothing but theta. Okay, phi equal to what, theta. If theta is greater than 0, then locus of z is second portion. Second portion. Locus of z is second portion. If theta is this one, then we have to rotate this one in clockwise direction with the angle theta degree to get this one. That means we'll get this portion. That means z will lie in second portion. So locus of z is what, second portion. So if theta is positive, then this portion will come. If theta is negative, then first portion will come.